Nehemiah Mihindo. I'm the CEO of an organization called Effective in IPM Association. We are located in Muhindo in Kenya, and our work revolves around helping farmers to produce inputs that are safe to the environment and inputs that are affordable to them and to the entire communities. And we work with communities in trying them through research, and then we try to manufacture them so that farmers can access them. We manufacture biopesticides. We also manufacture other bio-inputs like manure. And we also manufacture insect traps, plus other integrated pest management apparatus that help farmers to reduce the problems that they have in crop production. We are currently working with over 30,000 farmers in Kenya. And among the areas that we are working in Kenya is Kiambu, Murang'a, Machakos. We are working in Kwale, Kilifi, Kajiado, and Narok. So in those areas, farmers have been able to enjoy the services that we offer through training and also through on-farm research to get the problems that they have and see of sustainable ways of solving them. We joined this program through referral by one of our donors called Tridom in Italy, who interacted with the program, and he encouraged us to join the tree planting project, which we have been doing for the last 8 years with the communities. So we saw that it is an avenue to reach more farming communities and also to increase biodiversity in our country. So it has been very, very useful to us since we started. First, we have learned a lot about the technical aspects of the projects, and we have integrated some of the aspects of the training that we have received into our programs. The next thing is that we have also had a lot of interaction with our fellow project participants, and we have learned a lot from them. With the capacity building that we have received from the program, we expect that we are going to do our work better and also expand our production, especially on the biopesticides and the pheromone traps that we are known of in Kenya. And we also want to receive more people coming to learn from us and also receive more assistance in terms of capacity development and also financial assistance from the different players that we have in integrated pest management and other development areas. The program has, this program has, as I said, has really helped us to learn areas where we were not doing good or we were not perfect, and we have really improved in terms of especially our organizational development and also in terms of interacting with other people who know more than us in terms of our subject matter. So, and also we have been able to we have been introduced to aspects of pitching, which is something that we never used to do. And now we are getting ready to meet with the investors whom we can work with to expand the program. I would like to thank our partners, WRI, and also World International and Mount Kenya Hub for extending these services to us. It is something that we couldn't have gotten, or we could have paid a lot of money to get. And we just want to say that they should continue doing the same to more organizations so that we provide good services to the communities. So thank you very much.